What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to share with you all the mods I've done on my B8S4. But right before we start, I want to remind you guys to don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, because there's more content here to come. Alright, let's start. So we're going to start from the back of the car, and one of the first mods I've got was a AWE catback exhaust. Is a track exhaust. So the only thing restriction relating to this exhaust is the mid resonator, nothing on the mufflers. But so this car sounds amazing, sounds so good. I'll leave a little clip there so you can hear how it sounds when it was, you know, full throttle. But yeah, one of the best investments I've made on this car. So rewarding every time I drive it. The next mod I did was the ECS tuning ducktail truck lid. It's pretty good. I went with the gloss black, make it have a nice finish, has an aggressive look, and it looks like it's factory. You know what I mean? It looks like it belongs with the car. I'm happy I made that choice on this one. For the next mod, I got the gloss black 4 rings emblem. So I removed the old one and put this one here to make it have a nice all black finish from the back. I'm happy with it. This looks pretty good. Under the car, I've also done a ECS tuning mount inserts for both, well actually all 3 of from the transmission, drivetrain to the rear diff mounts. Make the car feel a little bit more firm, more aggressive, more responsive really, based on all that transfer of power to the wheels. And it's a great investment. The next mod I've done on this car was the Raceland coilovers. These are only height adjustable. I got them for a decent price, and they're pretty good. They're actually pretty comfortable in daily driving, and it lowers the car, made the car look a lot better. The next mod I did was the wheels, which are Koenig Renforms. They are 19 by 8.5. I bought these wheels used. One of them was pretty messed up, so I had to buy a new one. But overall, these wheels look so good. I purposely got this color to try to, you know, hide the brake dust, but it's not really doing a good job. But also I bought these wheels so I could show the calipers more, even though they're really dirty right now. But when they were yellow, had that nice pop. So it's pretty cool. By the front, I've ordered a RS4 all black grill. So it's both the grill and the emblem. It looks so good. I also sprayed the crash bar so it has a full black finish in the front. It looks so good. It made the car look so aggressive. For the fog lights, I installed LEDs on them. Makes it look a lot brighter at night, a little bit safer on the road. The next mod I've installed was the Black Forest shift knob. Has a great feel. It looks so good as well. I got a black and silver to try to, you know, match the interior of the car, and it's probably one of the best investments I ever made, especially the fact that the previous shift knob was so big and lunky, and it doesn't look like it actually belongs in the car. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The next mod I've done was upgrading the MMI system with a Apple CarPlay. So pretty much everything that I have here is connected to my phone, so I can use pretty much from phone, maps, messages, you name it. So I thought this was pretty awesome. It's probably one of the best things you could do to update your car. Also, from the interior of the car, I've installed LED lights, so it makes the interior looks a lot brighter, especially at night. And I don't know if you can see it, but I've also replaced the headliner with a suede black, so it has a nice finish, and it makes the car look so nice and luxurious. I got the car tinted from Glass Tiger Tinting, both all around, including the windshield. For the front, it's pretty much clear, but it blocks a lot of sun rays. That's pretty awesome. Keeps a lot of heat out of the car. And on the sides, a little bit darker, but it pretty much does the same principle. I think it's one of the best investments you can make. Trust me, guys. Under the hood, didn't do much. I upgraded the intake with a CTS turbo intake. It's pretty good. Wakes the car up. You can hear the supercharger whines even more aggressive. I love that about this car. And I also replaced the spark plugs. Wasn't sure when's the last time the previous person did it, so I felt like it was necessary. So far, the coil pack seemed like it was holding itself pretty well, but I think I should replace those pretty soon. But that's pretty much it under the engine bay. Haven't done anything serious yet, but for now, car still stock, performance wise. But I'm looking forward to get a tune on it. Still not sure what I want. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all the mods I've done to this car so far, and I have a ton more stuff I want to do to this car, and I cannot wait. My goals are this year is to definitely go to the performance side. Still trying to figure out what tune I would like to get, but once I do that, I know it's gonna be a whole different beast and a whole new experience. Guys, have any other questions, leave a comment down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.